Best RC planes. Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M. The E-flite Apprentice STS 1.5M is widely regarded as one of the best RC planes for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. Far more than a basic trainer, it combines a 59-inch wingspan with advanced safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, creating a flight system that builds confidence while teaching essential skills. Its design ensures both immediate success for first-time flyers and long-term engagement for those looking to advance their abilities. Built on the trusted Apprentice S15E platform, the STS adds modern smart electronics, providing real-time telemetry straight to compatible Spectrum transmitters. This integration feels like having a flight instructor on board, giving data on battery voltage, current, and motor RPM to maximize flight time and safety. Perfect for newcomers, its progressive safe modes act as training wheels that gradually give way as skills develop. Beginner pilots enjoy virtual crash protection and auto-leveling, while advanced users can perform loops, rolls, and brief inverted flight. Club instructors and experienced pilots also benefit from its forgiving handling and panic recovery, making it an ideal teaching platform. Key features include durable EPO construction with reinforced stress points, wide-stance tricycle landing gear for easy ground handling, optional Safe Plus GPS for autopilot features, and a 30A Smart ESC with telemetry support. With assembly under an hour and flight times of 10 to 15 minutes, it's ready to fly quickly and reliably. The Apprentice STS 1.5M blends proven design, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched reliability, making it the ultimate RC plane for confident, safe, and enjoyable learning, truly the gold standard in RC training. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC TrainStar Ascent, Best Value RC Plane. The TrainStar Ascent proves you don't need a high price tag to enjoy stable, capable RC flight. With a 1,400mm wingspan and a powerful 4023/1050 kV brushless motor, it delivers the handling and performance of a larger model, making it ideal for beginners and budget-conscious pilots alike. What truly sets it apart is its unibody ABS plastic fuselage. Unlike foam trainers, this tough, crack-resistant body survives crashes that would destroy lesser planes, saving money and frustration while letting you focus on learning to fly. Beginners, youth program participants, and flying clubs will find this trainer especially appealing. Its forgiving flight characteristics and robust construction make it perfect for first-time pilots who expect a few training mishaps. The Quick Connect wing system lets you assemble the plane in minutes, while the large wingspan provides smooth, predictable handling, even in moderate wind. As your skills grow, the Ascent is ready for basic aerobatics, including loops and rolls. Key features include a 1,400mm wingspan, unibody ABS fuselage, brushless motor with 40A ESC, functional ailerons, and tool-free wing assembly. Hybrid construction combines durable plastic with EPO foam wings, offering a strong yet lightweight structure. Servos are pre-installed with clean linkages for easy adjustment. Priced around $180 for the P&P version, the TrainStar Ascent offers exceptional value. It lacks modern stabilization electronics but makes up for it with reliability, ease of flight, and crash-resistant durability. This trainer proves you can start RC flying without breaking the bank, all while enjoying a stable, long-lasting, and confidence-inspiring experience. Number 3. HobbyZone RC Airplane Carbon Cub S2 1.3M. Don't let the budget-friendly label fool you. The Carbon Cub S2 offers serious capability in a compact, scale-accurate airframe. This 1.3M STOL trainer combines safe technology, optional GPS upgrades, and genuine bushplane versatility, making it a perfect choice for beginners and intermediate pilots alike. Whether you're taking your first flights or exploring short-field and float operations, this aircraft grows with you. Ideal for pilots who value realism, versatility, and long-term value, the Carbon Cub S2 is excellent for those who dream of bush flying but still need confidence-building assistance. Safe technology provides progressive flight modes that gradually reduce intervention as skills improve, letting you transition smoothly from student to capable pilot. Oversized Tundra tires allow takeoffs and landings on grass, gravel, or other rough terrain, while the optional Safe Plus GPS unlocks autopilot features, including virtual fence and autoland. Constructed from durable Z-foam EPO, the Cub S2 is robust yet lightweight, with functional slotted flaps, steerable tricycle landing gear, and scale detailing including a pilot figure. Telemetry-capable 30A Smart ESC ensures you monitor battery and motor performance in real time, maximizing flight efficiency and safety. With a 1,300mm wingspan, 865mm length, and 913g flying weight, this trainer delivers stable, forgiving flight even in light wind. RTF packages start around $300, battery and charger extra, offering excellent value. Combining technology, durability, and versatility, the Carbon Cub S2 provides a premium training experience at a price that won't break the bank, making it an ideal choice for aspiring bush pilots and hobbyists alike. Number 4. VOLANTEXRC F4U Corsair. Who says beginners can't enjoy flying warbirds? The F4U Corsair Micro challenges that notion with its 400mm wingspan and built-in Spilot 6-axis stabilization system. Traditionally tricky aircraft are no longer out of reach. This Micro Corsair makes warbird flying accessible, safe, and fun, even for first-time pilots. Perfect for beginners seeking something more exciting than a standard high-wing trainer, this plane appeals to kids and adults who love military aircraft but lack experience. It's also ideal for anyone wanting a low-stress introduction to aerobatics and warbird flight without the usual steep learning curve. The combination of iconic warbird styling and beginner-friendly handling is irresistible. The Spilot system prevents tip stalls and snap rolls that often trouble new pilots, while one-key aerobatics let even novices pull off loops, rolls, and stunts with confidence. Lightweight EPP foam absorbs impacts, and the propeller saver design protects the motor during inevitable learning mishaps. Key features include 3 progressive flight modes: beginner, intermediate, expert, 12 to 15-minute flight times, and a fully assembled RTF package ready to fly out of the box. With a wingspan of 400mm, 60G flying weight, coreless motor, and 1S 500 mAh LiPo battery, it's perfect for backyard or park flights. Priced around $110–$120, the Micro Corsair is affordable, durable, and surprisingly capable. Crashes are more funny than damaging, and spare parts are inexpensive. The F4U Corsair Micro proves that beginners don't need to settle for boring trainers. Warbird excitement is now within everyone's reach. Number 5. E-flite P51D Mustang 1.2M, Best Warbird. The P51D Mustang, Cripes a mighty third, brings sport-scale warbird performance to a whole new level. With operational split flaps, electric retractable landing gear, and the iconic 4-blade propeller, it delivers the authentic Mustang experience. Built-in AS3X stabilization and optional Safe Select technology tame what is traditionally a high-demand warbird, making it approachable for pilots ready to step up from basic models. Ideal for intermediate to advanced pilots, this plane is perfect for history enthusiasts, scale model collectors, or anyone craving a full-house warbird. Those who have mastered basic flying will appreciate the Mustang's responsiveness, scale fidelity, and next-level aerobatic capability. Flying this Mustang is a thrill. Every detail, from sequenced gear doors to scale exhaust stacks, enhances realism. On 3S, the P51D offers smooth, gentlemanly handling. On 4S, it transforms into a high-performance warbird capable of vertical climbs and aggressive maneuvers. AS3X preserves the scale flight feel while stabilizing rough edges, giving pilots confidence in both casual flying and precision maneuvers. Key features include functional split flaps with independent servos, electric retracts, AS3X with optional Safe Select, a 3S/4S compatible power system, and a Smart 70A ESC with telemetry. The reinforced EPO airframe, metal-geared servos, and museum-quality paint and markings demonstrate E-flite's craftsmanship. With a 1,219mm wingspan, 1,065mm length, and 1,530g weight, without battery, it balances scale appearance with capable flight. Though discontinued and limited in availability, this Mustang offers unmatched sport-scale Warbird fidelity and performance ideal for collectors and pilots seeking a breathtaking, authentic RC Warbird experience.